Hi guys, I'm Nicolle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you because I'm working in partnership with Stevie Moises tippers. And if you've been here on my channel long, you know that I love Stevie Moises tippers. I think they really are one of the best tippers out there. And I've talked about him even before this partnership. And I've made a "What tippers do I use" video, I believe it's called. I will link it down below so you can check that out, of the tippers that I already have from him and what I thought of them, okay? But I'm very excited because I actually don't know what this will sound like. He has an amazing range of tippers. So if you're a very traditional player, he has something for you. If you're a very modern, top-end player, he has something for you. I think it's just the range and the thoughtfulness of having quite a variety of tippers and sounds and styles is really amazing. He has different lengths and weights, and he specifies them all in his website. So I will also link his website down below, but I will write it here for you so you can see it as well, okay? And that way you can check it out. His website is both in German and in English, okay? And he does ship abroad, so it's not only in European Union. He ships to the United States, to Canada, different parts in Europe. So do check him out. And the tippers that I will be working with are tippers that I'm very excited to try out. So if this, you know, you might find something that you really like, but you might feel like, I'm more modern or I'm more traditional. Don't worry, you can go to his website and just have a little browse there to see what you think, okay? But I am so excited. I got this yesterday and I've been dying to open it, but I've been good. Look, it's completely closed. I haven't picked, it's completely closed. I just hide my little address there. But what I want to do in order to make this the best for you guys is I'm gonna do some close-ups so that you can see the craftsmanship, and then I'm going to do a voiceover with all the information. And I want to do little videos in my home studio so that you can really hear the sounds, because this is a beautiful room. It's a music room that I'm at, and there's a grand piano and there's high ceilings. It's really beautiful, but it's very echoey. So I would like to do the best review possible, because as I said, this might be something that you've been looking for or that you would like to try out yourselves. So I am so excited. Okay, so I'm about to open it up, and I just wanna say, look at the packaging as well. Like, there's no unnecessary packaging here. It's so elegant and neat. This is really amazing. Thank you so much. This is like a dream come true. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. It's opened. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Can you see? They're all individually packaged. Can you see that, or is it kind of blurry? I hope you can see that. Okay, so let's check them out. Okay, so we have the first one. I feel like Christmas. Okay, so wow, I'm just gonna put this is so cool. Okay, so it has oh wow. Okay, so we have the first tipper. I'm not gonna spend too long here because I do wanna make the close-ups, but look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna put them inside my drum. Let's do the next one. Do you know when you feel like Christmas, when you know that everybody else is watching and you're kind of like, ah! Oh, that is so, oh, look at this. Wow. They feel amazing. This one feels so good too. They feel so different though. Like, even if it's very similar to the other one, it feels so different. Oh, I love that one. Oh, that is so good. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, the next one Ooh, I think I know what this might be. I think I know what this one might be. Yes! Oh my god, look at this! So this is kind of sort of like the JazzMo that I use, but it's not. Okay, I'm not gonna move this until we actually start the close-ups, but that is so interesting. I wonder what that sounds like. So yeah, this is the MO grip, which it's like the other ones, but this one kind of looks a little bit more like the one you always see me play. Okay, so very excited. Okay, yes! Okay, so this is the JazzMo. So this is the one that I use all the time in all of my videos. The one I'm always like, this is the best one. Okay, this is so exciting. I'm so happy to have another one. Yay! Honestly, it's gonna be so exciting. Okay, now let's look at this one. This is the last one, by the way. Ooh. Okay, so it's also, it has the JazzMo again. Like all of the grips are JazzMo, just because I love the JazzMo grip so much. To me, it's the best thickness and the most comfortable. So this is like, I don't know if you can see that. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. We have 5 different tippers, okay? And I will show you what they all look like and what they all sound like individually. JazzMo, 33 walnut dowels, 2 millimeters in diameter, length 24.5 centimeters or 9.5 inches. Players should take care not to make rim shots with these thin dowels, especially if the tipper is open. The tipper's sound will change depending where the O-ring is located. When it's wide open, it becomes like a heavy jazz brush with less tone. When it's closed, it has a smooth, solid tipper sound with a small tipping click. EMO, 19 single rounded bamboo dowels, 3 millimeters in diameter, length 24.5 centimeters or 9.5 inches. This is a tipper with a typically hot rod sound and a more or less click patch sound, also depending on the position of the O-ring. MellMo, 19 crashed bamboo towels, 3 millimeters in diameter, length 24.5 centimeters or 9.5 inches. Avoid playing with it in a big open angle. This tipper may lose some bamboo particles in the first few hours of playing. This is normal and due to the production process of hammering. The rubber ring is glued to keep the brushes in good condition, so don't try to move it like I did in the intro. ClickMo, splitted head with 4 mm center dowels out of beech, length 26 centimeters or 10 inches. A tipper with a fine click sound, and if closed with the O-ring, a sound of solid wood tipper as well. DropMo, teardrop head, length 26 centimeters or 10 inches, a very fast solid wood tipper. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. All the handles are made out of olive wood from South Europe, except the handle of MellMo. This is out of plum tree.